internet, online surfing. Every city and nearly all the villages have a post office from where people can send letters, parcels, and money order. But it takes some days to reach the destination. So nowadays, people are taking people are using email provided by email service provider. To have the mail that you send by using the internet is called electronic mail. It is fast, inexpensive, and a convenient way to communicate with others. Email is eco-friendly as it does not involve paper, envelope, and stamp. Email can be sent to many people at the same time. An email may consist of picture, text document, and other files. You need not be online to view the message. Any message sent to you can be viewed whenever you want. An email can be sent to many people at the same time. It may consist of picture, text documents, and other files. When you create an email account, the email service provider provide you with unique email address which is known as URL. An example of URL is http://www.cambridgeindia.org. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol and enables a browser to what protocol or what procedure or rule it is going to use to access the information specified in the domain. www stands for World Wide Web. It is used to distinguish the content, whereas cambridgeindia.org is the domain name for the website. The last portion of the domain is known as domain suffix. Means .org is the last portion of the domain, which is known as domain suffix, and it is used to identify the type or location of the website. For example, .in represent India, .org represent organization, .edu represent educational institutions, .com is short for commercial. Now, there are certain email service providers like Google. Website is mail.google.com, and a sample of email address you have got here. Vaishali@gmail.com. You can use another name even. The person who sent the email is called a sender. Person who receives the email is called a recipient. Now, domain name system. You should know domain name system on page 143. Domain name system is an internet server that helps you to identify address. For example, when a user is accessing cambridgeindia.org or Cambridge India domain, that domain name is looked up in a domain name system to translate name into an IP address that can be better understood by the computer. For example, that address will be converted into 79.172.169.241. Using this because computer does not understand. Computer understand only binary language. Using this IP address, computer can find the Cambridge India web page and forward the information to your computer. Thank you.